Hello students, in this video we will study about second part of adjectives, that is degrees of comparison. Now we will learn about degree of comparison that adjective has. Adjectives have 3 degrees. Why do we need degree of comparison? So, degree of comparison is used when we need to compare things. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Firstly, we will see positive degree. Positive degree is used to describe one person, animal or thing. It is not used for comparison. For example, Ram is a tall boy. Here the word tall is only telling the quality of Ram. It is not used for comparing Ram with any other person. So here you will get positive degree. Now we will study comparative degree. When we compare two people, things or animals, we use the comparative degree. We use than word with adjectives in the comparative degree, such as Ram is taller than Shyam. Here we are comparing two boys, Ram and Shyam, and I have used here than word with the adjective word taller, means राम श्याम की अपेक्षा ज़्यादा लंबा है. In superlative degree, when we compare more than two people, things or animals, we use the superlative degree. We use the definite article the before the adjective in the superlative degree. For example, Ram is the tallest boy in the class. So, you can recognize this sentence by getting the article before the adjective tallest, that this sentence is related to superlative degree. Now we will see formation of comparative and superlative degrees. According to rule 1, most adjectives form the comparative by adding er in positive degree of adjective word and the superlative by adding est to the positive, such as tall, taller, tallest. If you will see in the tall word, in comparative degree I have added here er and it became taller, and in the superlative degree I have added here est and it became tallest. Second word is strong, stronger, strongest. In rule 2, adjectives ending with e, we add r in comparative degree and st in superlative degree. For example, large, spelling is large. Here we are getting ending word e. So I have only added r in comparative degree and st in superlative degree, and it became larger and largest. In the same manner, white, whiter, whitest. In rule 3, adjectives ending with a consonant preceded by a vowel, we double the consonant and add er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. If you will see the example, thin word, we are getting the ending word n, that is consonant, and before n I am getting vowel word I. So I have double here the consonant word n and added here er in comparative degree, and it became thinner. In the same manner, I have double the word consonant n and added here est, and it became thinnest. In the same way, big, bigger and biggest. According to rule 4, adjectives with one or two syllables, we add er in comparative degree and add est in superlative degree, such as sweet, sweeter, sweetest. I have used sellable word in rule 4. What is sellable? So sellable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants. For example, there are two syllables in water, water. When we will pronunciate this word, we will say water. So here are two syllables. In rule 5, we will see adjectives with two syllables ending with y. We change y to I and add er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree, such as lovely, lovely. So when we will speak it, lovely. So I have replaced the word y in comparative degree with word I and added here er and it became lovelier. And in the same way, I have done the changes in superlative degree and the word became loveliest and funny, funnier, funniest. In rule 6, adjectives with three or more syllables, we add more before the word in comparative and add most in the superlative degree. For example, beautiful. Here we are getting three syllables and we have added in comparative degree more beautiful and in superlative degree most beautiful. In rule 7, some adjectives are compared irregularly. They are called irregular adjectives, such as good, better, best. If you will see these words, they are not following any pattern. Good became better in comparative degree and better became best in superlative degree. In the same way, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most. So they are called irregular adjectives. Next rule, when we use one of the before the superlative form, we use a plural noun. For example, this is one of the oldest monuments. If you will see, I have used here word monuments. This is noun word and I have used in plural. Monuments in India. We do not use two comparatives or superlatives in the same sentence, such as more quieter or most nicest. They both are wrong because I have used two comparatives and two superlatives in the same sentence, so they became wrong. We use as plus adjective plus as to compare two things or people that are similar in some way. For example, this knife is as sharp as that one. Now we will study about order of adjectives. When two or more adjectives are used before a noun, they are placed in a particular order. कभी कभी किसी चीज़ की या किसी व्यक्ति की विशेषता बताने के लिए हम उसके लिए एक से अधिक शब्दों का, विशेषणों का या एडजेक्टिव्स का यूज़ करते हैं. उस कंडीशन में वी शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द ऑर्डर ऑफ प्लेसिंग ऑल द एडजेक्टिव्स. I am telling you the order of adjective that will be placed in a particular order, that is number, then opinion, then size, then quality, then age will come, then shape, then color, then origin, and after that material and purpose. If you will see the example, three beautiful short old Asian women. So first I have got according to the order 3, that is number. Then beautiful. Beautiful is my opinion. Then short, it is telling about the size. Then old. Then origin. Origin is Asian. And then I have used all these adjectives for noun word woman. So we should always remember the order of adjective for placing in any sentence. Second example, 2 new red cotton night dresses. So if you will see, noun word is dresses, and I am telling the qualities of dresses. Which kind of qualities? 2 new red cotton night dresses. So 2 is number, new is age, red is color, cotton is material, night is purpose. So in this order you will place the adjectives. We do not use a comma or and between the two words of adjectives. For example, she has a big white car. It is correct sentence. If I will use this sentence in this manner, she has a big comma white car, it will be wrong. Or if I have used here, she has a big and white car, it will be also wrong. We use and when using adjectives from the same group. For example, she has a red and white car. If you will see, I have used two adjectives, red and white, from the same group, from the color group. So I have used here and word in between of these two adjectives. And I want to tell one thing, we should not try to use too many adjectives in a sentence. Why we should not use? In order to keep our writing simple and appealing. Now we will know about participial executives. I have taught you about participles in verbs. Here we will get present participles and past participles can also do the work of adjectives. These are called participial executives. For example, a ringing sound, a broken glass. The ing form of participial executives help us describe what something is like or its effect on us. An interesting film means how the film is affecting us. It is an interesting film means it is developing the interest of ourselves. An exciting match. The ed forms of participial adjectives help us describe how we feel about something or the state of our feeling, such as a talented man, an abandoned house. If you will see the first example, that is a talented man. Here you will see that it is our opinion, it is our feeling about the man, that he is a talented man. So it is called participial adjectives. I hope now you understood very well all kind of adjectives. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share it and give your comments and likes also. Thank you.